my country, my pride. Before this, I want to speak few lines in Hindi. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ कि मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है, जिसके होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है, जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंग है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण स्थली बन जाता है। यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि, यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। India is my country and I proud to be an Indian and be a part of this beautiful place. And India is famous for agriculture and farming. India's capital is New Delhi, which is located in New Delhi, and it is also famous for Qutub Minar and Red Fort. And India is full of different castes, religion, culture, and but they all live together. That's why India is famous for common saying unity in diversity. And for this unity in diversity, I want to speak few lines in Hindi. अनेकता में एकता है मेरे देश की पहचान, कि अनेकता में एकता है मेरे देश की पहचान, तभी तो है मेरा भारत देश महान, तभी तो है मेरा भारत देश महान। India is the seventh largest country. India is the seventh largest country in the world, as well as India is the first largest population in the world. And India is also called Bharat, Hindustan, Aryavat, and in Hindi सोने की चिड़िया. And so India was called Sone ki Chidiya because in earlier time India was rich resources and like gems, diamonds, golds, minerals, spices. And for this Sone ki Chidiya, there is the one also song dedicated for this Sone ki Chidiya. So जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वह भारत देश है मेरा, वह भारत देश है मेरा. And India is surrounded by ocean from the three sides. In the west, Bay of Bengal, and in the east, the Arabian Sea, and in the south, Indian Ocean. And if I am talking about India's flag, there is the flag is in tricolor. The uppermost part is saffron, which is the means which means the purity, and the middle part is white, which means peace. And there is also having one Ashoka Chakra and with 24 spoke, and it is the symbol of victory. And lower part is the green, which means the fertility. And for this our tricolor Tiranga, we want to speak. I want to speak few lines in Hindi, which is कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कि कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि का शान का है. हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, कि हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा. नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की सम्मान का है, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की सम्मान का है. And we know very well that Indians were slaved to British rule, and India had been under British rule under approximately 200 years ago. And India got the independent after great sacrifice and struggle. They got independent on 15 August 1947 with the help of freedom fighter. Freedom fighter, they did not fight only for a country, they fight for the person who suffer in silence. They lost their family, freedom, and even their rights to, and their even rights to fight for, and their rights to live themselves. And there were a lot of freedom fighters who laid down their lives for our country freedom. They were Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many more. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of the nation. And for our freedom fighter, I want to speak few lines in Hindi, which is लाल रक्त से धरा नहाई, कि लाल रक्त से धरा नहाई, श्वेत नभ पर लालिमा छाई, श्वेत नभ पर लालिमा छाई. आजादी के न उद्देश्य पे, आजादी के न उद्देश्य पे अमरों की गाथा गाई, गांधी नेहरू पंजाब सुभाष की, गांधी नेहरू सुभाष की. ध्वनि चारों ओर है छाई, ध्वनि चारों ओर है छाई. गांधी सदगुरु और सतदेव की, गांधी गुरु सतदेव की. क्रांतियों से आंखों में आंसू आए, क्रांतियों से आंखों में आंसू आए. That's all about my topic, and that's all about my topic. Thanks for listening me carefully. Jai Hind.